Introducing the Lapster Spiral Cable Protectors. The product measures 10 by 4 by 4 centimeters and weighs 100 grams. This set of two 8-pieces colorful cables is designed with highly flexible silicone and can be used as phone charger cord protector and phone charger saver to completely protect cables. The cable will wrap around any wire just like a protective sleeve. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Includes 8 pieces, all made of highly flexible silicone material. They can be used to protect all computer and cell phone cables from damage that's usually caused by excessive bending or twisting. These cable protectors make sure these wires last longer and can really help put you at ease. Besides protecting the cables, they also add an element of fun to them. I'm so hooked onto these for now that there is barely any charger or cable without one of